It's a time of really abrupt change. People working in conservation are desperately needed. Durham has a really high-quality conservation group, and we work across a whole range of study areas. We've got projects in the Antarctic at the moment looking at impacts of climate change on Antarctic breeding seabirds, snow petrels. I've got projects where people have worked in Africa looking at changing distributions of large mammal species. We've worked in Asia, Australia. We've pretty much covered the globe. What we're doing is at the forefront of species distribution modelling and predictive modelling of the impacts of climate change on biodiversity. We can provide answers or potential scenarios to conservation organisations that they can then use in their adaptation and mitigation strategies to maximise their impact for protecting species. An example of where our research had impact is working with the RSPB, and in that case we were looking at the impacts of a European conservation policy, the EU Birds Directive, which aims to conserve bird species. The work we did there was really crucial in actually ensuring that that policy directive stayed in place, stayed unchanged, and actually continued the protection of birds across Europe. We've worked with the National Audubon Society in America, which is the largest non-governmental conservation organisation in North America. We've worked with them to produce a climate action plan. That report, which is based on the modelling done at Durham, is being used by Audubon to actually mitigate and adapt their recommendations for management of sites across the Americas now, which is really good to see. We're making a difference because we interact with a lot of conservation organisations, so we're not doing ivory towers, pure research. We're actually producing outputs that work in the real world.